Hello everybody, I'm Rodrigo.
I'm Melissa.
At the back we have Marcelo and Sofia. It's pouring raining here, but we're still gonna go camping at Eden Park. We just left home about 20 minutes ago. It's a bit of a traffic coming down on Malibongwe, but now we are on the highway just going through Centurion. Weather forecast is not that great, but it's to have a bad weather, rather be camping in a bad weather than being at home. So let's see how it goes. It's a resort that we've never been before. We typically don't go back to places. We like to experiment new ones, and we enjoy trying new ones. This one is being on the radar for quite some time, and now we booked. This is actually our first trip for 2023. Last trip that we did, it was in November last year to Kedu Lodge. There is video review that we did, so you can check that out. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Hi, Devern.
Hey, Ron, how's it going?
Good, man. Good. Just checking. Did you drive through gravel roads?
Yes, I did.
Watching it. Radhan was watching it. You see, this is how we camp, not
First night here, we just had some wars. Guys, it's raining, but we're having fun.
All of us. So he uses those socks. That's unique.
Good morning, guys. This is Saturday morning. Still rainy here at the resort, but temperature is nice. So we're just walking around and getting to know the place a bit. Last night rained quite heavily, so hopefully the weather is gonna get a little better today.
Obi is talking. Marcelo is saying flops in Portuguese, and Obi is saying the same. Obi, are you done?
looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Let's try, yeah?
Yes.
Perfect.
Great.
Yes.
So it's Sunday morning. The rain stopped since last night. People are still sleeping here. It's about 7 in the morning. I wish I could make some coffee, but power is off. And I have to boil some water on the stove, but I don't want to wake up my children there, so I'll make some coffee a bit later. In the meantime, just having a quick walk here on the resort. This is a 5-star grading resort. Really happy with our experience here. One highlight for me is they have free Wi-Fi available on the resort, which is the first time that I have seen this in a camping resort. Very neat. The gardens are very neat. The grass is very well looked after. You can see here. So very well maintained. So we have a caravan living the resort. Caravan very similar to mine. So guys, I really recommend this place. It is a very neat resort. For me, coming from Joburg, it took me about 2 hours and a half, 2 hours, almost 3 hours actually, to get here. It was pouring, raining on the way here. I thought that it was going to be a bad weekend, but turns out that it was quite nice. One thing that I would like to highlight though is that there is a long stretch of a gravel road. It's not a bad road, but you need to drive very slow on that section. Well, especially for me with a road caravan. So, and when I came, it was a bit dark already, so I couldn't see very well. So just wanted to highlight that. But otherwise, I definitely recommend this place. It's very beautiful resorts. There is a swimming pool. There is a trampoline for the kids. Some playground, game room with table tennis, a pool table. The shop they have on site is not the greatest. They sell the basic like wood, ice and ice cream and some other snacks, but doesn't offer much more than that. You can't buy like a bread or cookies or any like a deodorants or all of something in those lines. They don't have it, really the basic. So if you're planning coming here, bring whatever you're gonna need for that time. Unfortunately, it's time to leave the campsites today. This is our trip number 19. Our next booking is now for South Rock in the Durban area, in the coastal city.